Cody Garbrandt and Long Jiao. Ow, my balls.
Ouch, my balls is correct. He kicked Cody Garbrandt in the balls so many times that he brought a guy in that spoke Chinese to ask him, hey, you know you're not supposed to kick him in the fucking balls, right? That really happened.
Cody Garbrandt, after the second ball kick, there was three. After the second ball kick, he fucking threw up.
He did
They had
puke.
to bring a bucket in for him to throw up.
So here's my favorite part of the fight. Right after the first nut kick, Cody Garbrandt gets up and he's mad as fuck. He's looking over at him, his eyes all squinted. He's, you motherfucker, you know, waking the fucking nut kick demon. Runs in like Jorge Masvidal did to Ben Askren. He misses his knee and then goes to a clinch and then gets kneed in the balls. Immediately again. And that's when they brought the guy in to be like, hey, you know it's not allowed, right? Because you keep doing it, and I tell you not to, but you keep doing it. And Chinese guy's like, oh,